Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how you can use Janitor AI for free. You can use it for free by just clicking the link in the description. First of all, you need to get registered. Click on register and add your email and password. You can also continue with your Google account. I'll just continue with my Google account. You need to add your character name here. I'll just add Mimi and upload the image of your avatar. And here you need to add your username, write about me, AI bot, appearance. I'll just write and click on update profile. And here your profile has been updated. Click on create a character. Add a name for your character. Click on introduction and add an introduction. Add gender, private bot, personality. Now just scroll down and click on create character. My character has been generated. Now I'll click on chat with Mimi. Here you can chat, but as you can see, we need to set up the API on top right corner to start chatting. So we'll click on API not ready. And here we need to paste the key. To generate the OpenAI key, you can use API key or Cobalt AI. I'll use API key and click on generate API key. I'll copy the link and I'll paste it here and click on save setting. So as you can see now, you can use Janitor AI for free by just clicking the link and following the steps. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.